Can't wait for Hank. I just had dinner and I'm starving.
Well, welcome, one of the producers of this amazing film. How are you feeling tonight, Skylar?
I mean, it has been the most thrilling night. This is the culmination of a 5-year journey for us to make this film, and you only make movies so that people can see them, so to bring it here to London tonight is just absolutely thrilling.
Do you know, you've worked with Baz in the past. Why do you think that he is the person to bring this movie to the big screen?
What I love about working with Baz for almost 20 years now is that Baz has the ability to tell these stories that are somehow timeless, but also really speak to the moment that we're in. I hope you'll find that in the Elvis, that there is this kind of eternal story of an iconic man behind the icon, but also that it's also to where we're at right now, in America as a movie in the 60s and the 70s, and also such a movie on its rise to fame. I think there's very much to come right now.
This was definitely a labour of love. You know, you speak about it being a 5-year journey. Why do you think now is the right time that people hear the story of Elvis?
Well, I think, first of all, I think it's a great time for people to hear the story of Elvis because of what we were just talking about how his own journey through America in the 20th century is so relevant right now to the culture. So I also think it's a great time for people to get back to the movies. Huge cinematic spectacle, music, color, drama that is best enjoyed in a big theater with a lot of people. So that feels like a time for this.
This is a big film. What was the biggest challenge making this happen?
I think the scale of the film, to make a film of this scale at any time would be challenging. Particularly over the years we made it, being knocked back by COVID and coming back to complete the movie. Just it's such a testament to the dedication of everyone in front and behind the camera.
You know, it's such a great story. People who don't know much about Elvis will know a lot, but we know his music. So, what do you think it is about Elvis?
Oh no, what's she gone for? What's she gone?
We also have contemporary music in a very fast way that shows how Elvis still permeates music artists working around us right now.
Well, congratulations on the film. Enjoy your movie.
Thank you so much.
enough. Please give a huge welcome to Yola.